In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom and a phone or iPad to show handwriting. So you can see I'm in my Zoom room right now, and I have my phone and iPad joined to my Zoom meeting. My phone and my iPad both have the Zoom app loaded onto them. So before you do this, you would want to load the Zoom app onto your phone or whatever device you're going to use. You just find it in the App Store and it's a free download. When you click and open the app to join the Zoom meeting, what you need to do is know the meeting ID, and it's usually just this number here, and that's what you would type in to join. So my phone and my iPad have already joined. A couple of settings and or things you need to make sure of. One is that you have allowed everyone to share their screen, because that's what I'm going to use to show the handwriting. Alternatively, if you don't want to allow everyone to share, what you can do is you can go to the participants panel here, click more, and then you see you can make your phone a co-host, and that would allow the phone to share as long as you have that in your settings. The other thing to make sure of is that when you join your device, you do not join the audio. So notice here how all of them have the video next to them, but only my computer has the microphone. These do not have the microphone showing, and that's because they have not joined the audio. That's important because you may get echo if you have the audio joined in more than one device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my stylus, and I have a pretty cheap one. This is $13.95 for two when I most recently looked it up. I'll show you a picture in the video of it, but what I do is I go to my iPad, I click on the link that says share content, or the button that says share content, and then there are a few choices here. I can share my screen, I can share photos. What I'm going to choose right now is whiteboard. So then you see the whiteboard comes up. You can tell that my iPad is sharing from this, and then I'm going to take my stylus and I'm going to start writing something. So you can see it comes up. Sometimes there's a little bit of a lag, and sometimes when you write something, it appears all at once instead of showing how you wrote it, but it just sort of depends on your internet connection, I think. So you see I can show handwriting, I can show what it looks like, and if you are wanting to demonstrate handwriting, what you may want to do is record it in advance to let your students see how it works. But this is also can be used during class. So it's something that you could do as an asynchronous activity beforehand, before they come to class, for example, or it's something that you could do in class. All right, so now I'm going to stop sharing with my iPad, and I'm going to come over to my phone, and I'm going to do the same thing. I click share, and I choose whiteboard. Then I have to make sure I choose the right pen tool, and there are some various choices for different pen tools. I'm going to choose screen this time. And I'm using the same stylus, and I'm showing using my phone. So you don't have to have a fancy iPad to do this. As long as you have a phone that can join Zoom, then you can demonstrate handwriting. I think even if you didn't have a stylus, I'm going to try it with my finger right now. I'm not that used to writing with my finger, but it does seem to work. So you don't really need that much fancy equipment to do it, as long as you have a phone or some kind of device that can join onto Zoom with the app. If you want to be able to write on slides, there may be a variety of ways to do it. One of the easiest ways that I found is that if I share my slides using my laptop and then I allow annotation, I can annotate those slides using my device, my iPad or my phone. So that might be one way if you wanted to be able to write on top of your slides to do it. Good luck teaching handwriting online.